Hi guys, this is Avinash Sharma, and in this session we will discuss the Agile. What is the Agile and what are the benefits of the Agile? What is the Agile? We can define the Agile. We have some points and some diagrams. So we can understand through this diagram what are the exact Agile. So first of all, as you can see, Agile is a simple and ingenious concept through continuous incremental improvements. What it means? It means suppose we have a complex project, and in the Agile concept, first of all, we can divide this project into a small task, and then we start releasing the project in the with the different version of the release. First release, second release, third release, and fourth release. So this process goes on, and whenever the first release is done, then all the issues and the changes required by the clients are incorporated in the next versions or next release. Then next release, the next. So this continuous process is part of the Agile concept. The term is associated with the software development cycle. It means that Agile help us how to improve the software development cycle. Third point, it is based on the divide and rule policy. It means suppose we have a large project, then using the Agile we can divide the project into small tasks. Those tasks which are easily manageable and easily can be developed. Next point of the Agile is a feedback. As we discussed, we divide the large project into small tasks and then we implement those tasks and we push the release. Then after each and every release, we take the feedback from the end user. So on the basis of the end feedback from the users, we incorporate the issues and the new requirement in the next release. To implement the Agile project management, there are some principles. These are the 12 principles. First of all, customer satisfaction, support team members, good design, changing requirements, face-to-face communications, major progress, frequent delivery, major work progress, continuous seek result, communicate regularly, and development process, finally reflect and adjust regularly. So these are the 12 principles. So we will discuss these 12 principles in details in the next video. So guys, this was the just introduction about the Agile. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.